we are proud to present the new product of iBronx. The product can be configured to have multiple users. You can use the camera on the device to scan a QR code on a Bronx nameplate or manually select the machine through the list available. Each machine has a 3D model so that maintenance tasks can be examined prior to undertaking work. Simple operations such as pan, zoom, rotate, and explode can be performed on the model. Let us go to the Bronx manual for this machine. Opening the Bronx manual, we find that we have maintenance instructions available at our fingertips. We can scroll through and zoom on the procedures we are interested in. What is more, we can interact with the photo icon to show the relevant step to help when you get stuck. We also include manuals for proprietary parts included on our machinery. Also stored on the device are the assembly drawings for the machinery, allowing you to make further examination of our equipment. The next feature is the Maintenance tab. This product comes with a timed prompt for your preventative maintenance tasks. This is designed to remind users to perform inspections and repairs as per Bronx recommendations. It also allows the user to note any difficulties and attach documents as part of inspection reports. On completing the task, a timestamp logs the day the inspection was passed and resets the timer for the next time the job will need to be done. If the inspection was not passed, or if other problems arise, these can be assigned to the fault log. Any issues raised in the fault log are automatically added to the maintenance tasks for that machine. Additionally, within this product, you can choose to enclose any information about these issues in an email to Bronx. This utility allows maintenance personnel to describe their problem accurately while they are in front of the machine, and can return to the other resources such as drawings and model while composing the email. When navigating Bronx documents, you can select the drop-down menus to find the machine you are looking for, if you are not in front of the machinery, to scan QR codes. iBronx is currently supported in English and Russian dual languages. Simply tap the flag icon at the top of the screen to switch between. Where possible, this includes documentation to match the currently selected language. Of course, any data entered by the user, such as faults logged and emails composed, remain in the language they were composed in. That concludes the iBronx package. Inquire at Bronx today.